Today's show is sponsored by Jacoby Sales, located at 425 Main Street in Palmyra. To contact, please call 812-364-6141.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, January 28th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia@paley.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Movie Monday. We will play a clip of a movie, and you have to tell us the title of that movie. Here's the video.
Gentlemen, the 3000 block of Las Vegas Boulevard, otherwise known as the Bellagio, the Mirage, and the MGM Grand. Together, they're three of the most profitable casinos in Las Vegas.
Are you thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with the Ram Sports Report.
Boys JV and varsity basketball both defeated Corden Friday night. At boys wrestling sectionals on Saturday, Bryson Long finished third, Chad Warren finished fourth, Timmy Burton finished second, JD Beavers finished third, and Logan Curtis finished fourth. All of these wrestlers will be advancing to regionals. Tonight, boys freshman basketball is at home against Crawford County. Boys junior high basketball will be hosting Mitchell at 6. We are having dress-up days this week in honor of girls sectional. Today is PJ Day. Tomorrow is Workout the Hornets, wear workout wear. Wednesday is Dress as your favorite athlete. Thursday, Hat Day. And Friday, all out purple and gold. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through today, there is a very high chance of rain as we go through today. Mostly late tonight, we could see some flurries and snow as we have Arctic air moving in from the north, and temperatures are going to drop as we go through your week. For your weather today, we have a high of 48 and a low of 13. As we head through the rest of the week, temperatures are going to start dropping very rapidly. On Tuesday, a high of 23 and a low of 3, and heading into Wednesday, that's when we can see our biggest drop with a high of 7 and low of 3. Back to you.
Congratulations to Mr. Stroud for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Ocean 11. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.